Welcome to this video where I am going to show you the 6 different ways that you can create a remarketing audience without even needing a website. So let's get stuck right in. So how we're going to do this, we're going to use what's called Facebook custom audiences. So go to your Facebook ad account, navigate to the audiences section, and then you want to create a new custom audience by following those little buttons that I've presented here. So the first kind of audience we can create is what's called a Facebook page engagement audience. And this is a kind of audience that puts together a group of people who have interacted with your page and interacted with your page in any way. So when we go to custom audiences, we click on engagement and we go to the Facebook page. And then you have a choice of what kind of interaction you want to group these people into. Do you want everyone who's engaged with your page, anyone who's visited your page, people who've engaged with any post or ad, clicked on a call to action button, and you can read through the rest. So this will create a really good audience of people who have maybe liked one of your ads or commented or even tagged a friend or even just viewed your page without having interacted with it at all, and then you can show those people your ad. So they haven't had to go to your website, they've just interacted with your page in some capacity. The next kind of engagement audience you can create is what's called a video engagement. So if you're running any kind of video ads or even just running videos which are getting views, you can create an audience of the people who have watched your video. So you go back to where you create the custom audience, you choose the video engagement option, and then you can even segregate these people into the portion of the videos that they have watched. So you create an audience of people who may have watched at least 10 seconds, and then a different audience of the people who've made it further the way through and they have perhaps watched even 95% of your video. And the reason you might want to do this is because you might want to show different people different ads based on the portion of the video that they have viewed. We love this one and we use it all the time, and I suggest you do too. So the third kind of audience you can create is what's called a lead generation engagement. So if you run what's called a campaign objective of lead generation, then you can create a list of the people who have interacted with your lead generation ad and possibly didn't enter in those details. Go back to the custom audience section, click on lead form, and then you can create, as I said, an audience of the people maybe who've opened the form and didn't submit, or maybe have opened the form and submitted their details. 3 very different categories of people, and potentially you might want to create all 3 of those custom audiences to show them either the same ad or a different ad. The fourth kind of audience engagement you can create is what's called an Instagram engagement. So people who have interacted with your Instagram profile. So go to the custom audience section, go to the Instagram business profile section, and then you can, like your Facebook page engagement audience, it's pretty much very similar. You can create an audience of the people who have interacted with your Instagram account. The fifth kind of custom audience you can create is people you can upload your database. So you might have a database through various other means. Even if you don't have a website, you can upload that database to Facebook to show those people ads, which is a really, really popular tool. So once again, custom audience, you choose custom file. Instead of the engagement one down the bottom, you choose the custom file option, and then you can follow the prompts and upload your database that way. So you can either copy and paste the data or import from MailChimp directly, and then you can show your database ads on Facebook. The last kind of audience that you can create without needing a website is what's called messenger ads. So people who have potentially messaged you through the Messenger app or Messenger component with your Facebook page, you can show those people ads. So here we've got a screenshot of the different types. So this is part of the page engagement. You can create an ad of the people who have messaged your page, and you can send them a messenger ad. So not just an ad in their newsfeed, it will be pushed through straight into their messenger app. So there you have it. If you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got lots and lots of these tips coming your way.